friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel from Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to present this kind of videos and help our clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rent of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. Welcome to Orihuela Costa. I'm staying now in Orihuela Costa, in the place that is called PAU 8, and today we have a nice modern apartment on sale, good offer in a nice community that has been built by a well-known promoter and that builds with good qualities and good standards. So on this case we will offer you an apartment that is from the year of build 2018, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, pool in the community, petanque court, place to be, nice garden, closed gate community, and with a huge sunny orientated terrace that has 21 square meter size. It's open and you can enjoy the sun on this terrace all the day, during all the day. And also it has 2 parking spots. 1 parking spot is included and goes together with the apartment, and the second one is separate property. You can sell it anytime if you don't need to have 2 parking spots. Price for this apartment is 269,000. Very good offer for this kind of object, brand new, modern. And also a little bit more about this location, PAU 8. It's 3 kilometers away from the sea, and yeah, you can go to the beach in 10 minutes. You can choose any beach. We have many to choose here on this area. We have 5 minutes from here, only 2 kilometers. Senia Boulevard is one of the biggest open commercial centers in our area. So nice place to live and nice place to enjoy your holidays because it's surrounded by infrastructure. We are very close to the halfway, so perfect place if you choose this one. So I will show you now the apartment from inside. Follow me, please. So friends, and now I'm standing in the terrace of this apartment. Here down below we have the pool area. We have open views. As I told before, we are at south orientation. It's very sunny and bright on this terrace. The terrace is very big. As you see, you have many space. You have electrical awakenings, and on this part here you have the wash machine and the water boiler. You can also access to this terrace from the bedrooms, from both bedrooms, or from the living room, from this door or the slide big door. So everything is very bright and everything goes to the south facade of this nice apartment. And now we're going inside. So as I told you, you can also access from this big slide door or from here. The apartment will be sold partly furnished, but everything is negotiable. Everything you see here you can negotiate with the seller. Nice big living room with the dining area, as you see, offers many place. Yeah, lighting, nice lighting, air conditioning, centralized air conditioning, everything with the new standards. Also underfloor heating in the bedrooms. Check out the kitchen. It has a island and very comfortable. I've seen some similar properties from the same builder, and the kitchens there was a little bit smaller without this island. So on this case you have many space to work and cook. The owner has put a mirror here that adds more space, and yeah, it is very good. Here's the main entrance. So you enter from the building on here, and following on the left side we have a bedroom with window, slide doors. It's very comfortable to save space, and with the shower plate. Then we have the guest bedroom with wardrobes, nice lighting, high ceilings, and the access to this sunny terrace. And we have a bedroom that is en suite, the main bedroom, also with the slide doors, full equipped bedroom with shower plate. It's good size, actually, have a lot of size here, and the main bedroom with the access to this terrace, and also wardrobes. Nice. Also important to mention that the owners, they have used this apartment only for self-use, so it's in very good condition. Okay friends, this is all. I showed you everything, and I think it's a very good offer in a modern apartment with big nice terrace on which you can have your barbecue, in which you can enjoy, sit with all the family and friends, nice pool area, closed gate community, garden, very nice infrastructure in the surroundings, and it's a perfect place. Contact me if you're interested in this property or any other property. Share this video with your family and your friends. Subscribe our channel and give us a like. If you need anything, you have my contact details below this video, and I see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Take care and be safe. Hasta luego.